In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Zoho survey with ease and confidence. If you've been looking for a straightforward way to share surveys and collect feedback, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, I want you to start by navigating to the Zoho survey dashboard. This is your central hub for creating and managing all your surveys. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options for getting started. For today's instructions, I'll be using a pre-built survey. These templates are incredibly helpful if you're aiming for efficiency, saving you time while ensuring your questions are professionally formatted. Next up, you're going to choose the survey that suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on Select. This is essentially a confirmation step to make sure you're set on the survey you intend to work with. After you've confirmed your selection, it's time to bring your survey to life. Hit the Create button. This will generate a new version of the survey that you can start editing and sharing. Now, let's move on to tailoring the survey to your specific requirements. Look for the Advanced Options section. These settings give you the flexibility to customize aspects of the survey to better align with your goals. You might adjust settings to track responses or tweak the design for aesthetic appeal, allowing you to add a personal touch and create a more engaging experience for your respondents. After you've configured the advanced settings to your satisfaction, it's time to focus on distribution. Click on Send Copy. This option allows you to share your survey with team members or collaborators who might need access to help manage or review responses. You'll need to enter the email address of the person or colleague you wish to send the survey copy to. Make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any delivery issues. Once you've done that, check over the details one last time to ensure everything looks good to go. When you're ready, tap on Send. This final step dispatches your carefully crafted survey to the intended recipients, enabling you to start gathering valuable insights. Remember, if you're sending to a group, you might consider a personalized message to prompt engagement. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully sent a Zoho survey. With this tool, you can easily collect feedback, gauge opinions, or gather data with minimal hassle. Keep exploring its features to maximize its potential for your unique needs. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying.